Hey my Capri Suns, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in today's video, I'm going to show you how I slayed a synthetic wig by Sensationnel. I'm taking me some foundation here and I am putting it all over the lace of the wig. So now I'm cutting my lace off the wig. For me, I like to keep the wig on my head to cut my lace. It kind of just helps me better cut the lace off the wig. You could take your wig off and cut the lace however way you choose is fine. I just choose to do it this way. Remember, when cutting your lace off, you want to cut off as much lace as possible. You literally want to make this seem like it is your hair, okay? Y'all, on this part, I literally take forever to fit the wig to my head. Like, I just literally, I don't know, I have to make sure the wig is centered correctly. I have to make sure it's on my forehead correctly. This part, literally, I be like looking in the mirror like, oh my God, is this fitting? Does this look good? So bear with me on this part because I just want to make sure that I'm laying the wig correctly in the right spot. Now I'm just going to lift the wig up and I'm going to take some Got To Be glue. This is normally what I use to lay my wigs. I just take it and put it on the end of a makeup brush or sometimes a comb, and I just spread it out along my edges all the way around until it's literally covered with Got To Be glue. I do let it dry just a little bit and then I lay down the wig. As you can see, I got my blow dryer, and this I just use it just to help speed up the process of drying the glue. You don't have to use a blow dryer, you can kind of fan yourself, but I just use the blow dryer to speed up the process of drying the glue. So now that the glue is kind of tacky, I am now going to begin laying down the wig. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but you do want to make sure the glue is tacky. You don't want to make sure it dries all the way out. I also go in with some Got To Be glue spray. I just feel like this helps the wig stay down better. I like to, spray it, and then I like to go over it with the blow dryer. And let me just say, you do not have to be a professional to lay your wig or to do your wig, okay? Like, I am no professional at all, so I just want to make sure you guys are aware of that. I literally been doing my own wigs for years now, and I just do what I know is best and to my liking. That's it. got the wig laid, I am just going to comb it out, get any, you know, knots out or anything like that. With this wig, it actually did not have that much shedding. Like, I am really surprised. Like, I would absolutely buy this wig again. Guys, I will leave the links down below to this wig. Again, like, I did not have that much shedding. Obviously with me moving the wig around and stuff like that while I was laying it, it did get a couple knots in it, but it did not shed that much. Like, literally not at all. Now, as you can see, I'm just parting it down the middle just to make sure my part is straight. I'm going to go in with my Fit Me powder, and I'm just going to shade in my part just to make it look a lot more realistic. Y'all, like, do y'all see this? Like, look at that part. Like, bomb, right? My part looks so realistic, y'all. Like, I am so satisfied with how my part came out. Like, I am literally shook. Right here, I'm just taking me some setting foam, and I just do like 2 or 3 pumps, and I'm just going to put that all over the hair, just, you know, catch any flyaways to flatten it down and everything like that. And I absolutely love this stuff. It does me well when it comes to my wigs and stuff like that, and I don't have to put like no got to be glue on my hair or anything like that. I just set it with the setting foam, and that's it. I think I'm just about done. I am going to throw on some makeup real quick, and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.